The digitization of education has expanded access to learning opportunities and resources. Online courses, virtual classrooms, educational websites, these all are offering flexible and personalized learning experiences to students of all ages. Digital tools, platforms, these all are facilitating collaboration, communication, and interactive learning experiences. The digitization of workplaces has revolutionized work process and collaboration methods. Remote work has become increasingly common, facilitated by digital communication tools, cloud-based productivity suites, and project management platforms. Virtual meetings, document sharing, and online collaboration tools enable teams to work together seamlessly from different locations. Overall, the increased digitization has led to a growing reliance on digital technologies for everyday activities across various domains, including communication, information access, commerce, entertainment, education, healthcare, banking, and work, etc. Because digital technologies will evolve more and will permeate all aspects of life, so their impact on society is expected to deepen, shaping how people live, work, and interact. Now we understood that cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital world.